Hello students, welcome back to a class of English, and today we'll discuss about one part of speech out of 8, that is adjective. We know that in English there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection and adverb. So they are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And today we'll talk about the adjective. So first of all, let's see what are adjectives. So adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun, or we can say that it tells us more or it describes more about a noun or a pronoun. If I say Vijay is a boy, and if I really want to add something more, then I would say that Vijay is a tall boy, Vijay is a good looking boy, Vijay is a bad boy. So here the words like bad, good looking, tall, they're telling us more about Vijay. So these words will be known as adjectives. So now let's see, Vijay is a good boy. Here good is describing about a boy who is Vijay. So the word good is telling us more or describing about Vijay, who is a noun. So it will be an adjective. So let's talk about the types of adjectives. So the types of adjective are, the first one is adjective of quality, the next one adjective of quantity, the next one interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, adjectives of number and demonstrative adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality, the next one adjective of quantity, the third one interrogative adjectives, the next one possessive, fifth one adjectives of number and the next one demonstrative adjectives. So if we talk about the adjective of quality, we know that it tells about the color, size, texture of a noun or a pronoun. So let's see that what it describes about a noun or pronoun. So adjective of quality describes about a noun or pronoun is color, size, shape, complexion, texture. So for example, it will say that Neha is a beautiful girl. So here beautiful is telling about Neha, who is a noun. She is a tall girl. So tall is telling about the size of the girl, who is she. So we know that the adjective either tells or describes about a noun or a pronoun, and we are well aware that the pronouns are the words that replace nouns. So adjective of quality are the words that describe quality of a noun or a pronoun. For example, I have a nice teddy, and this answers the question of what kind of color. I have a red color teddy, I have a brown color teddy, I have a beautiful teddy, I have a thin teddy, I have a fatty teddy. So adjective of quality tells or answers the question of what kind. So now let's talk about the adjective of quantity, the words that describe quantity of a noun or pronoun. The words that describe the quantity of a noun or pronoun, like some, little, enough, few, a little, some, any, many, more. All these the words are adjective of quantity. So here I would like to tell you one more thing, that why I have selected this topic for you, because in your syllabus we have the determiners. So determiners, in determiners we include the adjectives of quantity or number, we can say that they are known as indefinite adjectives. So if you have the knowledge about these words only, then you would be able to understand in a much better way about the determiners. So the words like enough, some, little, all these words are used as determiners to fix or determine about noun. And we are always aware with this fact that an adjective is always used before a noun. So it is also used in two ways. One is in attributive way and one is in predicative way. If it is used before a noun, then it has been used as attributively. But if it has been used after the verb, after the noun, so it will be used as predicatively. So now let's proceed to the next. So this adjective of quantity answers the question how much. I have enough money, I have some books, there is a little hope, there is little milk in the fridge. So the next one is the adjective of number. So the words that describe exact number of noun. They tell about the exact number like 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. So this answers the question how many. There are 7 boys in the class. There are 4 bananas kept in the basket. So the adjective of number tells about the exact number. So the next one is demonstrative adjective that points out a person, thing or animal. So there are 4 demonstrative adjectives that are this, that, these and those. This is used for things or persons or places that points to a nearer object, person. That is used for the far away places or things. And this, that is, those is the plural of that, and this is the plural, this is the plural of this. This book is mine, so it means it is pointing out to a nearer kept book. And so the next one is interrogative adjective. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. That which book is yours? Which place do you live? Which house is yours? The next one is possessive adjective. The words that are used to show possession or the ownership. For example, Joe left his bat at home. This is my book. This is his house. So dear students, this is all about adjectives. This is like a recapitulation of this topic. I hope you have understood. And if still you have any query related to this topic, you can ask me. Thank you.